Is Chrome showing your connection is not private error? Try these fixes. First, clear browser data in Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your system. In the top right corner, click on the three dots. Select Settings at the bottom. In the left menu bar, click on Privacy and Security. Now, select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time. Check all boxes, including cookies, cache, and site settings. Then click on Delete Data. This removes old SSL certificates and security cache that may be blocking websites. Second, change DNS to make connection secure. For this, click on the Start button and then select Control Panel. Next, click on Network and Sharing Center. In the left side menu, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Here, highlight Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and then enter these numbers. Preferred 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then On Close. This uses Google's DNS, which helps fix SSL and privacy errors. Third, turn off VPN or public Wi-Fi restrictions. Next, if you're using a VPN extension, disable it. Also check system date and time. Go to Windows Settings on your system. Inside Settings, click on Date and Time. Turn on the Set Time Automatically option. Also, select Sync Now. Finally, use the Proceed to Site option. If you're sure the website is safe, click Advanced on the warning screen, then click Proceed to Site. This will bypass the security check and opens the site. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.